I'll be showing you step by step how we can go and collect free emails using a completely free app for our Shopify store, as emails are great to collect as we can then market to them again without having to pay another advertising platform to contact the same customers. Email also allows for a bit more of a relationship to develop, so definitely something you should be collecting, and let's dive right into it. So we're using an app called Review Pop-ups. It is completely free and has a perfect 5-star rating with over 4,200 reviews. And it's going to allow us to create an email pop-up, making it super easy to collect emails on our Shopify store. So I'll leave a link for this in the description. It's also called Review Pop-ups, but once you're on this page, just click install. This will bring you to the installation screen. If you're comfortable with the permissions, hit install app. This will bring us to the welcome screen here. The first step is just to view and enable the opt-in pop-up. So I'll click on this header here, should be in yellow, and this will open up our basic settings. So first, I'm just going to toggle the status on as I want this pop-up to display on my site. Next, I can name my pop-up. I'm just going to leave this as opt-in pop-up as it's for internal use only. It's only visible to me. I'll leave this as dismissible as I think that's probably better. Just have an X here so the customer can cancel it if necessary. Next will be the coupon code. So typically you want to incentivize a person to enter in their email. So it's usually offered through some type of coupon code, 10% off, 15% off. You could even offer free shipping, or you can offer a fixed amount. You can also enter this coupon code manually. So maybe it's a free shipping coupon. You want to go and create that. You can also have them create coupon codes for you. So I'll just leave this as percentage off. 10% off sounds good to me. I'm just going to not tick this expiration on discount as well. Next would be a sticky coupon bar after a successful subscription. I'll leave that as show, as I think that's a nice touch. So once the customer enters in their email, this is going to show on your store, reminding the customer about their coupon code and incentivizing them to use it now. Next, for the close state, we can either set it to show on the sticky bar to add a 10% off, and just leave it as close widget as it's an extra little bit of clutter. Next, for a timer, I'll leave this as showing immediately, and I'll set this just as 1 time per day. So it's the number of times the widget will show on the browser for non-subscribed customers based on a select time. For page rules, and I'll also set it to show on any page here as I want to be collecting emails throughout my store. So these settings are going to be your own preference as well. That's just what I decided to do here. But let's move on to text. And here you can customize the title and the body. I'm just going to leave these as the default, but maybe add some emojis for customization depending on what you want here. The forms, I'm going to leave email address ticked off as we're trying to collect email addresses. I'll leave all the text the same, as well as the error message and the success state. Now for styles, this is where we can customize it to match the theme of our store. So you can change all the colors here by clicking on them, selecting a color. You can change the font here from the pre-selected ones. You can change the modal size, so I can make this bigger or smaller, and I'll leave it as center aligned. I'm gonna go back to the Arial font. We can also add a logo. I'm just going to go and add in a screenshot here. It's not the best photo of the logo here, but I'll just leave this for now. I'm not going to include a background, and then I'll hit save in the top right here. Now let's go and see what these look like at each stage. I can hover over here to see how everything looks, and I think that looks good. The only last thing I'll change is the background color. Maybe make this a darker gray. So if I go to the sticky coupon code, it's going to be gray instead of blue. I'll hit save. Now let's go and preview this on my store and test if everything is working okay. So I'll click on preview on my store. Once I let that load, I can now see my discount pop up to collect emails, incentivizing me to enter in my email. So let's see how this looks. I'll hit test@gmail.com. I'll click claim discount. Now it's going to give me a unique coupon code here, which I can easily copy. I can hit continue shopping, and I can see it's now hovering at the top with the sticky header here reminding me about the unique coupon code. Before I go, I want to say that if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. They'll give you a ton of different insights and metrics so you can truly understand your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc. There's also a link in the description below to access the app listing directly. From there, you can get a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself and get a clear understanding of your store's profitability. So just like that, I've set up a pop-up up to collect free emails for my Shopify store while incentivizing the potential customer with a 10% coupon code. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.